Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to ignore someone on Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord added an ignore button that allows you to block people without their knowledge on Monday. Discord already had feature like mute and block, allowing you to tailor a message, and when you get servers pings, the ignore feature works a little bit differently from these two controls. So how to ignore someone on your Discord. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord, and now we can just choose on the user or account that you want to ignore. Now we can just tap on the three dots over here, and you'll find there is an option ignore. You can just tap on that. So in here, you can choose if you ignore this user, you will hide their profile and message, mute their notification and activity, but they can still message you and see your activity. Tap on ignore. So now you have ignored these users from your Discord. So simple, right? So that is how to ignore someone from Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.